For us, it was just the kind of financial benefit and the ease of actually accessing digital services or public services.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world, and the blockchain industry is no exception. AI tokens are fueling the development of innovative projects that aim to revolutionize how we access and interact with AI technology. With the potential for huge growth in the AI market, here's a look at some of the top AI tokens to consider in 2024. Number 1. Injective Protocol. Injective Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain built specifically for decentralized finance applications, also known as DeFi. It's made to fix some problems with regular DeFi platforms. One thing it does is make transactions fast and handle lots of them at once. Instead of relying on just one way to decide the order of transactions, like some other blockchains, Injective uses Tendermint-based proof of stake. This helps it go faster and handle more transactions than some others. Another great thing about Injective is its decentralized order book. This is a list of all the trades happening on the platform, but instead of being controlled by just one place, it's spread out all over. This can give traders more options and control compared to some other DeFi exchanges. Injective is designed to work smoothly with other blockchains such as Ethereum, Cosmos, and Solana. It can easily communicate and transfer assets between these different networks. But Injective isn't just about moving assets around. It also supports various financial tools beyond simple trading. For example, it allows users to engage in derivatives trading, which includes things like perpetual swaps and futures contracts. You can not only buy and sell assets, but also engage in more complex financial transactions to potentially profit from price movements. One important thing about Injective is that it has mechanisms in place to reduce the risk of minor extractable value. This is a situation where miners who validate transactions on the blockchain use their position to manipulate the system for their benefit. Number 2. Ocean Protocol. Another AI token is Ocean Protocol, which uses artificial intelligence to let lots of people share data without giving up their privacy. One great thing about Ocean Protocol is that it turns data into tokens. So, if you have some useful information, you can turn it into tokens and sell it to others who need it. And if you're someone who needs that information, you can buy it using these tokens. It's a way for both sides to benefit. The ones who share their data get paid, and the ones who need the data get what they're looking for. This system is powered by Ocean's special token called Ocean. These tokens are what make transactions happen within the marketplace. They're the currency that everyone uses to buy and sell data. Plus, holding Ocean tokens also gives you a say in how things are run, which is pretty neat. Number 3. Near. Near is also a Layer 1 blockchain, owned and operated by a community. It's designed to fix problems like slow speeds and limited capacity that other internet systems have. One feature of Near is that it gives users easy-to-understand names instead of complicated codes. The main goal of Near is to make it simple for people to create and use apps without needing a central authority to control them. These apps, called dApps, can run smoothly on Near without running into the same problems as on other systems. Near has its methods to handle lots of activity, so dApps can run quickly and efficiently. To make sure Near can handle more users and transactions smoothly, it uses a special method called Nightshade. Imagine a big library that wants to lend out books quickly to many people. Instead of having one long line at one counter, the library opens several counters. Each counter deals with a smaller section of the library, so more people can check out books at the same time. This is similar to how Nightshade works. It splits the blockchain into smaller parts called shards. Each shard processes transactions independently, allowing the whole system to work faster and handle more transactions at once. One of the issues many people face with traditional blockchains is dealing with confusing and lengthy wallet addresses. These addresses are often long strings of random letters and numbers, which can be hard to remember or type correctly. Near simplifies this by using account names that are easy to read and remember, much like email addresses or usernames. This makes the whole experience more user-friendly and approachable. It also makes it easier for developers to create applications on its platform. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Number 4. Oasis Network, ROSE. Oasis Network is a special type of blockchain designed to prioritize privacy and security. Think of it as a digital space where people can conduct financial activities and use various apps, all while keeping their information confidential and secure. This focus on privacy makes it unique compared to other blockchains that may not strongly protect user data. The network is built using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, which is a set of tools that helps developers create blockchains and apps more easily. This ensures that it is reliable and can interact smoothly with other blockchains. A central feature of the Oasis network is its native token called ROSE. This token has a fixed maximum supply, meaning there is a limited amount of it that can ever exist. ROSE tokens play a crucial role in the network's operations. They are used for staking, which involves holding tokens to support the network's security and operations, and for delegating, where token holders can give their tokens to others to help manage the network. Additionally, ROSE tokens are used to pay fees for running smart contracts, which are automated agreements that execute when certain conditions are met. Number 5. The Graph. The Graph is an open-source project designed to make accessing blockchain data much easier for developers. Imagine trying to find specific information in a vast library without any organization. It would be chaotic and time-consuming. The Graph helps solve this problem by indexing and organizing data from various blockchains, making it simple for developers to find and use the data they need for their applications. It involves two main components, subgraphs and GraphQL. Subgraphs are special tools or blueprints created by developers. These tools specify exactly what data should be extracted and how it should be organized from a particular blockchain. Each subgraph focuses on a specific type of information, acting as a building block that can be reused and combined to get the precise data required for different applications. GraphQL is the query language used to interact with these subgraphs. It allows developers to request specific pieces of data in a very efficient and straightforward manner. Instead of wading through a lot of unnecessary information, GraphQL lets developers ask for exactly what they need, making data retrieval fast and precise. Together, subgraphs and GraphQL make the Graph a powerful tool for developers. By indexing and organizing blockchain data, indexers, who operate the network and handle data queries, earn GRT tokens as compensation for their work. Curators, responsible for identifying high-quality subgraphs, are also rewarded with GRT tokens. When applications query data through the network, they pay fees using GRT tokens. Additionally, GRT holders have the opportunity to participate in governance by voting on proposals that influence the future development of the Graph. Number 6. Render Token. Render Token, known as RNDR, is a vital part of the Render Network, a blockchain-based platform that connects artists and studios with unused graphical processing unit power for rendering tasks. Rendering is a process used in creating images, animations, and visual effects, and it requires a lot of computing power. The Render Network provides a solution by allowing artists and studios to tap into spare GPU capacity from individuals all over the world. RNDR serves as the utility token within this network. When artists and studios need rendering power, they use RNDR tokens to pay for the services. This system creates a marketplace where rendering jobs can be distributed more efficiently, using the collective GPU power of network participants. On the other side, individuals who have spare GPU capacity on their computers can join the Render Network and contribute their unused processing power. In return, they earn RNDR tokens. This not only provides a way to use idle computing resources, but also offers an incentive for individuals to participate in the network. RNDR offers a big advantage for artists who need powerful rendering. Normally, owning and maintaining high-tech GPUs for rendering can be very expensive. But with RNDR, artists can tap into a network of GPUs all over the place, without having to own them themselves. This works by using lots of different GPUs from different computers, all working together. Number 7. The Internet Computer. The Internet Computer isn't exactly an AI token, but it has some great links to artificial intelligence. This network is similar to a massive playground where AI models can run around freely and securely. The whole idea behind the internet computer is to create a very strong and spread out network. This means that instead of relying on just one or a few places, it gives you a lot of places to work together. This setup could be very handy for AI because it needs a lot of power and space to do its thing properly. Imagine if this network becomes a hub for AI development and use. It could open up a world of possibilities. Developers might be able to make AI apps that are safe from hackers and sneaky changes. Plus, they could create special places where people could trade data and train their AI models without worrying about one big company controlling everything. One of the great things could be the boost in privacy. Normally, when you use AI, your data might end up in one place, which could be a bit risky. But with the internet computer, your data could be spread out across lots of places, making it much harder for anyone to snoop on it. The internet computer is reportedly in the process of incorporating Web3 AI compute units, indicating a proactive effort to incorporate AI capabilities into the network. Number 8. Singularity Net, AGIX. Singularity Net is an AI token designed to make AI tools and services accessible to everyone. Think of it as a digital currency that powers a marketplace where developers can create, share, and even make money from their AI creations. Since its launch in 2017, Singularity Net has become a hub for AI innovation. Developers from all over the world can come together on the platform to collaborate, exchange ideas, and offer their AI tools for others to use. This marketplace is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity, which promotes fairness and openness. Transactions within the Singularity Net marketplace are done using AGIX, the project's token. Just like how you might use dollars or euros to buy things in a regular marketplace, AGIX is used to facilitate transactions within the Singularity Net ecosystem. This creates a unified system where developers can easily exchange value for their AI services. Key features of Singularity Net include its decentralized nature, which allows developers to share and monetize their AI tools freely. It also integrates smoothly with other services in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, expanding its reach and usability. Additionally, AGX tokens play a vital role in powering transactions on the platform, ensuring that the marketplace functions smoothly and securely. All these projects offer exciting possibilities. However, conduct your research, stay informed about the latest developments, and invest responsibly. With careful consideration, AI tokens have the potential to be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content in the future.